Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.
Hey guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is inspired by Lina Bugs. Go follow her, she's amazing. But without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting off, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm gonna go over my brows just to kind of diffuse the darkness of my brows, and I'm gonna blend that out with a Flower Beauty sponge. Then I'm gonna go in with this green paint and I'm gonna just draw out my brows how they normally are. Then I'm going to top that off with the middle green shade in this Take Me Back to Brazil palette and just really set in my brows so it doesn't transfer. Next, I'm taking this dark purple and I'm going to put that into my crease and blend it out as my transition shade. After that's all blended out, I'm going to take this lighter purple and I'm going to use that to blend it up into my brow bone so it's not a harsh line. Then I'm going back in with the dark purple and setting that all over my lid to create a smoky eye. Then I'm taking my usual On the Cusp highlight and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Oh, and my inner corner. Now I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I will be right back. Now going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to actually use this as my foundation because it is the lightest shade I have and I didn't want to use white paint. So I'm just going in on my T-zone and then eventually I'm just going to blend it out and use it as my foundation. And I'm using the Flower Beauty sponge to blend it out. For my lower lash line, I'm just taking the dark purple and I am smudging that under my eye and really smoking it out. I am dragging this super low because that's how Beetlejuice looks. Then I'm just taking the green shade in my Take Me to Brazil palette and I'm going to use that to contour where I normally would. Cheekbones, forehead, jawline, all that jazz. To deepen it, I'm going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm just going to use that to further contour. Now taking that on a smaller fluffy brush and I am going to use that to contour my nose. For highlight, I'm going back in with my On the Cusp ColourPop highlight and I'm going to use that on the high points of my face. Then I'm taking my NYX matte ink liner and I'm just going to line my upper lash line. Going in with the green paint, I'm going to start to draw on the moss that's on Beetlejuice. And this is really easy. There's no method. You can just draw wherever you'd like. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm using an angled painter's brush. After I'm done, I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to put that all over my chest just to lighten it up and prep it for the moss I'm going to put on my neck. And then obviously going in again with that green paint and putting the moss on my neck. To give it some texture, I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter and top everywhere that I put the moss. I'm not using a green glitter, I'm using a silver glitter because I thought it would show up more. And this is just kind of the more glam version of Beetlejuice. Then I'm going in with this black Kat Von D lipstick and I'm just putting that on my lips. And then I'm topping it with this Buxom lipstick. I don't know what color this is, but it's like a pinkish color just because I couldn't find my purple lipstick, so I had to create it. And yeah, that is it, you guys. I cut this blonde wig up and painted parts of it green. Had to get creative because I didn't have anything. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like it down below and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I will see you hopefully tomorrow in my next video. Bye!